To my YouTube video, and I'm talking about a beautiful project called Verychat. So, like we all know that we have actually done our KYC. So, for those who have not actually done their KYC, that means you never meet up with their criteria, which is to have mined 500 Verychat token as at I think on 27th of June. But if you know you have gotten over 500 Verychat token that you have mined before 27th of June, you should have received it. And if there's anything that is actually making you getting rejection, I think Verychat sent something today, which is on the 23rd July, as we expect that our Verychat token, which is a mine token, will actually be migrated to our wallet. That was what they said that before 10th of August, which is just a few days back now. So that is what we are actually expecting. So, but I will tell you in this regular video how you'll be able to maximize and make a lot of Verychat before that very day. Because as at the point of migration, it is the number of Verychat that you're able to get that will actually be migrated. So if you still want to start, like what I'm saying, it is not too late because the third phase for the KYC is actually still coming up. So I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. You can start and smart a lot of people. Let me quickly show you something about society people have referred. You could see this one now. You could see over 111 days. He has 20. The person has 26 very child with that. He has mine. This one now over 153 days. And the person has 20. Society people are not very serious. When people token now get listed, they will actually say they get peanut and at the rate of 5 naira to 5.8, 5.8, depending from the particular vendor which you want, which is a particular good, a particular good is. So if you want to start, check the comment and description to see my referral link, and don't forget to like. So this is the 24th of July now, as you can see here, and look at this. It says second KYC progress update. It says hello Verychat committee. Here's the latest update on the second KYC. They say accidental DeFi has been reset. So for those who say they don't want to actually do their KYC, maybe they do not understand the grammar, I cannot actually see, and they actually lost it. Now Verychat is giving another second opportunity, but I tell you, they may not be third one. So check your Verychat app now. You might have seen KYC opportunity, and if you still want to defer, you can still defer. And the other one is those camera issue. So this here, they say they have actually solved the bug, so you can actually try. So this one is the last one for those who have actually submitted. They say all already submitted, no further action. So if you have already submitted, there's no further action that you need to do. So you just wait for the migration to be completed. I was happy for all my community members who actually try as much as possible to follow the instruction I shared in my previous video. They all got KYC and they have actually fill up their migration form and they are good to go. I'm happy about that. When something is so, if I come to the large chart, this is one of my community member now. Currently, he has bought over around 5,000 Verychat token. This was the first 200 I sent to him to test it if his account was really correct. And this is another 48,000 to complete it. A lot of people are actually buying this token because I tell you, Verychat will actually surprise a lot of people at the later end. So one of those things for you to maximize and meet up with your earning is this lucky box. A lot of people are actually joking with it. Let me show you what I saw. Look at something now. This particular person, I think this is his Verychat name, won very node 4 days ago. Now this is me, Crypto One. Try your luck. So for you to get one Verychat, they say it's 93%. So for you to get 5 Verychat is 93%. I've gotten this too. For you to get rain, they say it's 2%. I've gotten that one. To get boost is 1%. Insta chat, I've got all this 1%. And for very no, look at the percent. But I tell you that some people are still getting it. You can also try your luck to try the chances. It's just for you to just watch and you actually get something. To get this for one node now, this person may not even be having any single referral. And you know, for you to have Verychat node that will be giving you Verychat on every single day, you need to meet. I think the current threshold is 53 active subscriber. This person may not be having one single subscriber, but he has one very node, which is a good thing. So who knows that maybe today can be your lucky day of trying it out. So try it out and and see maybe you be the lucky person. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification also, and don't forget to also share this video to everyone. Thanks and bye bye for now.